Hi. Think you have to be super tech savvy to make an awesome video landing page? Think again. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a cool landing page like the one you see here. Sometimes you want to direct visitors to your website via a landing page for a specific campaign, sale, or event. You want this landing page to use your site address, but not necessarily have the same design as the rest of your website. To create a landing page, start by adding a blank page to your site. Make sure that you give the page a name that makes sense, since it will show up in the URL for the landing page. I will call it Summer Party. Be sure to hide the page from the menu and clear out the site's header and footer. Now I will add a video to the page. You can use any video from YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure it's in high definition. Place the link here, set the video to autoplay, and hide the control bar. Then, set the size of your video player. I want my video to fill up the whole screen, so I will set it to be 2000 pixels wide and 1100 pixels high. Then, I will drag the video to the upper left corner of my screen. You can add a box and text, a button, a form, or anything else you want to place on the landing page. The design options are limitless. Let's preview the page I made. Looking good. Once you've built your new page, it's time to spread the word. Share the link to your new landing page through social media, email newsletters like Wix's Shoutout, or through a Google ad campaign. Go ahead and get creative.